if you guys could see the pile that is in front of me, like, it's actually crazy. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So by the title, you can obviously see what this video is going to be about. I am going to be breaking down all of my, let me just pick this up for you guys, all of my Taylor Swift merch that I have been collecting over the years. I even have some stuff behind me to talk to you guys about. I'm wearing the Speak Now cardigan. There is a lot here. I just thought it would be fun to go through all the stuff that I've bought from her merch store over the last like 7 years. I think like in the last 7 or 8 years when I started buying a lot of merch from her store. So yeah, if you guys are big Swifties, please subscribe to this channel because we are Swifties over here. And yeah, so go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this merch haul, collection, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so the newest piece to the merch collection is the 1989 cardigan. I just got this in last week and I am freaking obsessed with it. I love the blue. I'm envisioning like on a beach, white bikini, like sitting by the water with this on, like over your bikini. Oh, I'm getting so many like vibes with this and I am just so excited to wear it. I actually wore it the other night to dinner and some guy was like, when did you order that? And I was like, the day it came out. And he was like, oh, because I ordered one for my girl and it hasn't come yet. And I was like, oh my god, I love that. But yeah, so this is the newest one, and then this is the Speak Now cardigan. Let me stand up and show you guys. This is the Speak Now cardigan, and I actually really love this one too because purple is honestly my favorite color, so I love this one so much. I don't go in like any particular order, it's just really how I pulled it out of my drawers. So up first we have the 1989 World Tour t-shirt. I actually bought this on her website a few years ago. She was having like a major merch clearance. I didn't actually get to go to the 1989 World Tour. My best friend got me tickets though, and I wound up moving to New York. So I missed the concert. So that's like a big regret of mine. But yeah, so I had to pick up the t-shirt just because it is iconic. And we have this. This is also new. I bought this probably like 6-7 months ago. It just says Taylor Swift The Eras Tour. And she had a bunch of, she had all her eras like on the website. So you could buy whichever one and it would say Taylor Swift The Eras Tour, and 1989 is probably my favorite Taylor Swift album, so I had to pick this one up. And then on the back, this is what it looks like, and I really love this t-shirt. I don't wear it all the time, but I do genuinely love it. I just think it's so freaking cute. And we have this from Reputation. I bought this the same time I bought the 1989 World Tour shirt. So on here, you get the snake, and then the back, you guys, is fucking sick. You get a big ass snake. I just think it's so cool, and I got this for $5. So I was like, there's no way that I'm not like picking this up. So yeah, absolutely love this. I'm gonna get through this quickly because there's so much here to show you guys. So then, oh my god, I bought this. I think I got this for Christmas during the red era. This is just a long t-shirt, and on the front it says Taylor Swift. And then on the back, it's like a very faded picture of her, but then it says Taylor Swift. And this is probably one of my favorite t-shirts that I own because I love the simplicity of it. Like, I can wear this wherever and it's not going to be like too loud, you know what I mean? I don't really love like really loud t-shirts, so I love this for that. And the material of this is probably on the better side than all of these. This one is really nice material, so one of my favorite shirts. And then I actually got this at the Reputation tour when I went. Come on, you guys, this t-shirt, no joke, the summer of the Reputation tour, after I got this, I wore this every single day. Like, there was not a day that I was like going out or something. Hey, excuse me, do not eat my buttons. Come here, little one. That I was not wearing this shirt. I freaking love it. I love the gold, and I just love her face. And Reputation is probably my, I don't know, like 1989 Reputation are like my favorite eras. I can't pick which one is my, but yeah, this one, this is freaking iconic. And we have another tour shirt. This is from the Red Tour, which I also did not go to, but I got a bunch of these like t-shirts. She did like a huge clearance on her website back in the Reputation era, I think, and I just picked up a ton of stuff. This one I freaking love as well. I love that you get all the Red Tour dates, and then you get her just looking freaking iconic on the front. Love it. This is another one that I got during that whole clearance. This is from Reputation. It's like a muscle tee. Can you guys, oh yeah, you guys can see. Look at the frigging snake. This was another shirt that I wore non-stop. And I also love that it's not super loud and it's like very grungy. And then on the back, yeah, on the back you get all of the tour dates and it says Reputation down the back, which is so freaking awesome. This t-shirt is another one that I'm obsessed with all of these, okay? But this, hey, excuse you. But this one I freaking love. I wish she would have all of these available all the time for purchase because they're so freaking cool. Okay, and then this, my boyfriend actually got for me when she re-released Fearless. So on the front, you would think, oh, nothing besides like what it says, like on the side, it says Taylor Swift, and then, yeah, that's all it says. But on the back, you guys, look at the back. It has a bunch of Taylors from Fearless, and it says Fearless Taylor's version, and I love this. I really love quarter zips like this, so this is one of my favorite merch items that I own because it's so freaking cute, you guys. Oh, I love it so much. We have another one that I bought during the red Taylor's version era. This is just a gray crew neck. I really love crew necks. I don't necessarily love hoodies. Like, I really stay clear of the hoodies. I prefer the crew necks. So this one on the front says Taylor Swift, and then on the back you get red Taylor's version, which I think is so cool. I love this one too. This one is, oh my god, they're all my favorite, you guys. I can't pick one, but yeah, I really love this. And if you guys wanted to buy anything from a website, I highly recommend the crews. They're my favorite. Love those. I will never buy a hoodie, so love the crews. Speaking of never buying a hoodie, the next one is ironically a hoodie, which I never wear this. I just bought it because when I went to the Eras tour, they didn't have the blue crew neck, and I was like pressed for time, and I was like, oh, I'll just get this. And I listened to my sister, and what size did I get? I think I got a medium, which actually isn't that big, which is what I would usually get. But this is this thing is so big, it's actually just uncomfortable. So this is just the black one, and I just wish it was a crew neck because this hoodie, you guys, you know when a hoodie like pulls like right here, I hate that feeling. Like, I put this on all the time and then I take it off within like 2 seconds because I'm like, absolutely not. And then on the back you get all of the tour dates, and then I think on the sleeves, yeah, on the sleeves it says the Eras tour. The only reason I keep this is because it's one of the only pieces of merch that I got from the Eras tour, so I don't want to get rid of it, but I just wish that it wasn't like a hoodie because it's so uncomfortable to wear. So this is probably my least worn item that I have. This one, oh, I love this one so much. I actually bought this before the Eras tour because I wasn't sure if I was going to go, so when she released her merch, I was like, oh, I need to pick this up. This is just another gray crew neck, but it's the Eras tour poster, and this, now, out of everything in this collection, this is my favorite. Probably because she's still like on the Eras tour, like that's why I love it so much. But yeah, this is just so iconic, and I feel like everybody is going to know this poster for the rest of time. Like, there's not going to be a time where somebody's like, what is that? Like, where's that from? Like, no, this poster is so iconic that I just feel like everybody is going to know. So I love this one so much. It's my favorite. And then the last crew neck, I bought this. I actually don't, I think this has to be Folklore, yeah. Because this is another, like a dark gray crew neck, but it has all of the Taylors, like the Taylors on, like the Eras, and then it ends at Folklore. So, yeah, I love this one too. I wore this so much that it's actually, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like pulling in some, yeah, like in the front. Can you guys see? I don't know. But it's like pulling because I literally wore this so freaking much. I actually have one in white, which I can't find, but it's from the Reputation era, and I hate that one. Like, that one I wear like around my house, like in the morning if I'm cold, I'll like throw it on. That is so beat up because the white one was pulling so freaking much. It was just, ugh, it was the worst. So this one is my favorite. If you ever see the white crews on her website, don't buy them because they like rip and peel, and they just like, you know when you wash it and like all like the dark like little like dust bunnies stick to it, that's what happens, and there's like no way to get it out. So I never, if she ever does like a white crew, I'm like, I'm never gonna buy it because it's just as horrible. So stick to the gray ones or the dark gray or the black. And then let's see, oh my god, this, you guys, I forgot I had this coffee mug till about 30 minutes ago. I got this right after Lover when she did that whole like Eras thing. Come on, you guys, this is the coolest freaking coffee cup ever. Like, I will never get rid of this. I'm actually gonna probably use it later because it's just, come on, this is so freaking iconic. Oh, I love this mug so much. Then we have recent merch from the Eras Tour movie. Of course, I had to get the souvenir cup and then the souvenir popcorn bucket. Am I ever gonna use these two? I'll probably use the cup. I will probably maybe use this for like my daughter one day when she goes trick-or-treating. Like how iconic would it be like 10 years from now, my little 3-year-old daughter's like walking around trick-or-treating with the Eras Tour popcorn bucket? Wow, that would be so freaking cute. But yeah, I'm never getting rid of either of these because they're iconic. It looks so weird in this video because I'm trying out a new foundation that's actually too light for me, so I feel like I look super like washed out. I don't know. But anyways, so this bracelet my boyfriend actually got for me last year for Christmas. So it has all of the eras on here, including her re-records, which is so cute. And it's actually such just like a beautiful, beautiful bracelet. I love this one so much. And then my boyfriend actually also got this for me too. When she re-released Speak Now Taylor's version, she came out with this frame and it says "Long live all the magic we made." And I wanted it because I wanted to put this picture in it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. Me and my sister in front of the MetLife Stadium when we went to the Eras Tour. So I was like, I need this frame specifically for this picture because it's such a memorable experience. And I was like, no, I need this. So he bought it for me. Okay. And then the last piece of merch that I have, well, one of the last pieces is the concert poster from MetLife Stadium with the dates that we went. I got this frame. Literally, I had this rolled up in my closet for months because I couldn't find a frame. Then I finally found one on Amazon. And this is just like, let me show you guys where, I mean, obviously you guys probably saw, but I keep it right here. And I just feel like it makes this room 10 times better than what it is. Like this room was not this room until this poster went right there, okay? And she's next to her BFF, Selena. Like, what more of an iconic duo than these two? The last piece of merch that I have is this concert, well, movie concert poster, whatever. This is like an 8x10 thing that we got along with the buckets when we went to go see it in the theaters. And this also needs its own frame because I cannot have anything happen to this. But look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Like a literal frigging queen. Okay guys, so that is literally, I think, all of the merch that I have that's Taylor Swift related. I didn't think I had as much as I did until I started like looking for everything. I hope I didn't miss anything. The only thing I couldn't find was just that one crew neck, the white one that I was telling you guys about. But yeah, so clearly I'm a big, big, big Swiftie and I love all of her merch. Let me know in the comments. I'm sure there's people out there that have way more than me, but let me know in the comments if you guys have any of these, if you went to the Eras Tour, if you've been to any of her tours, let me know in the comments. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And remember, if you are a Swiftie, please go ahead and subscribe. I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.